Welcome to our discussion on Tinnitrol, this innovative supplement that's all about natural hearing support and cognitive boost. It's like a holistic approach to fighting off that constant ringing and buzzing in the ears.
Yep, absolutely. It seems like they've outdone themselves by blending natural, research-backed ingredients to build something that not only tackles tinnitus, but also enhances overall wellness, right?
Exactly, and what's really fascinating is how they use ingredients like L-arginine to improve circulation so that vital nutrients reach the delicate auditory cells. It's
Right.
like they're fine-tuning your inner ear's environment.
Yeah, that's true. And then you've got ingredients like L-dopamine, which supports dopamine production for balanced auditory nerve activity, almost as if it rebalances the whole system.
And don't forget the role of GABA in there. It's interesting how reducing stress and anxiety through a calming neurotransmitter can actually play a part in lessening the annoying tinnitus symptoms. Stress really does make everything worse, doesn't it?
Absolutely. I mean, we often underestimate how much our mental state can amplify physical issues like tinnitus. So having GABA, which naturally promotes relaxation, is a nice touch.
Exactly. It's like they're attacking tinnitus on two fronts, physiologically and neurologically. I mean, on one side, you have poor circulation addressed by L-arginine, and on the other, neurotransmitter imbalances tackled by both L-dopamine and L-tyrosine. It's a pretty multi-layered solution.
Right, and speaking of ingredients, what do you make of the inclusion of mumio in the mix? I'm curious because it's not something you see every day in hearing supplements.
Oh, for sure. Mumio, or shilajit, is quite renowned as an adaptogen. It enhances overall vitality and helps the body cope with stress, even boosting the immune system. In the context of Tinnitrol, it supports long-term ear health by addressing oxidative stress.
That's a compelling point, although I do wonder about the scientific literature backing up some of these claims. Do you think the research is quite solid?
Well, you know, they do claim that all ingredients are research-backed. And while individual ingredients like L-arginine and GABA have robust studies, you might say the synergy is still an area that requires more scrutiny. But overall, it seems the formulation is well thought out to help with both tinnitus and cognitive performance.
Right, and I like how they mention improved cognitive function. For instance, with components like alpha-GPC, a potent cognitive enhancer, it's like they're not just solving the hearing issue, but also boosting mental clarity and focus.
Exactly, it's a double win. I mean, you're not only tackling that incessant ringing, but also potentially preventing cognitive decline that some studies have hinted might be linked to persistent hearing issues. It's pretty forward-thinking.
And then there's the practical aspect to the way you take the supplement. Shake well, spray under the tongue, hold for 20 seconds. Sounds straightforward enough.
Right, and that method of administration seems to be designed for maximum absorption. If you think about it, it's like they engineered everything from the formulation to the delivery mode for peak efficacy. It's pretty impressive how all these details come together.
Definitely, though some might argue that such administration instructions could be a bit finicky for daily routines. Do you think that might be a barrier for some users?
I can see where you're coming from. It does require a little extra mindfulness compared to just swallowing a pill. But then again, the potential benefits, reduced tinnitus, improved hearing, and mental clarity might well justify that minor inconvenience. I mean, when you're dealing with persistent noise, every little effort counts.
True. And another interesting part is the safety and manufacturing credentials. Being made in the USA in an FDA-approved facility and GMP certified surely adds a level of trust, right?
Absolutely, that kind of quality control is reassuring. They make a strong case by emphasizing the natural sourcing of ingredients and even offer a 90-day money-back guarantee.
Right.
It's like they're saying, we stand behind our product completely.
Exactly. And that no questions asked refund policy really shows that they believe in the product's efficacy. It also gives potential users the confidence to try it without fear of wasting money.
And let's talk pricing for a minute. Regular price is $179 per bottle, but they're promoting a special offer at $49 per bottle with extra bonuses. That's a significant discount that might really drive sales.
Absolutely.
Though such steep discounts always raise a few eyebrows, like, is it sustainable long term?
Yeah, I was thinking that too. While the discount is hard to ignore, it does make you wonder how they price it originally, and if this is just an introductory offer.
True, it's worth a closer look. But from what they present, the value seems to be there, especially if you consider the additional bonuses like Hear Like a Pro and powerful ways to sharpen your memory. Those extras definitely add to the overall package.
And speaking of packages, they offer multi-bottle discounts, like a 6-bottle pack, which seems perfect for someone who wants to test it long-term. Given that most users reportedly start to see improvements within a week and optimum results over 3 months, that longer commitment might actually be necessary.
Exactly, and that aligns with their claims regarding gradual improvements. Tinnitus relief might not be immediate for everyone. It's like building a healthy garden. It takes time and consistent nurturing. The same goes for cognitive enhancements, which build up over time with proper supplementation.
I totally agree, and I appreciate that they are upfront about it, not promising instantaneous miracles, but suggesting a clear period for results. That kind of transparency is refreshing in a market often full of over-promising miracle cures.
Yes, and that transparency also comes through with their detailed ingredient breakdown. They even list the benefits of each component, which helps consumers make an informed decision. It's all about empowering the user with knowledge.
Definitely. Though I'm curious, what are your thoughts on the overall holistic approach? I mean, tackling both the physical and neurological aspects of tinnitus seems ambitious.
It is ambitious, but it's also smart. By addressing poor circulation, neurotransmitter imbalances, and stress, they're covering all the bases. It's like fixing both the engine and the wiring in a car.
Yes.
Even if one area is off, the whole system suffers.
That's a great analogy. And combining these strategies, from enhanced blood circulation with L-arginine to calming the nerves with GABA, the product really appears to deliver a balanced method of support.
Exactly so. And let's not forget the potential cognitive benefits. Ingredients like alpha-GPC are known for their role in boosting mental clarity and memory. It's a supplement that's not just about silence in the ears, but also clarity in the mind.
Right? And that dual benefit can be a game changer, especially for those who might be experiencing both tinnitus and cognitive fatigue.
Absolutely, the integration of these benefits makes Tinnitrol a compelling option. I mean, it's addressing a quality of life issue from multiple angles, which is much more effective than a single target remedy.
Exactly.
It's really about improving daily life, not just masking symptoms.
One thing that would be interesting to see is more independent research or trials on Tinnitrol. While the presented data and customer reviews are positive, independently verified studies would solidify its reputation even further.
That's a fair point. Independent research would definitely add to its credibility. But nonetheless, the glowing customer testimonials, like those from audio engineers and everyday users, lend a lot of practical weight to their claims. Personal experiences can really illustrate the benefits when clinical studies are still catching up.
Exactly. And it's great to see that they also detail the manufacturing process, emphasizing that it's produced in a certified US facility, which, reduces worries about quality and safety.
And that's critical when it comes to supplements. No one wants questionable manufacturing processes when it comes to their health. Plus, the 90-day money-back guarantee adds another layer of security for the consumer. It's a real win-win situation if you ask me.
I agree, though sometimes my skepticism kicks in when promotions sound too good to be true, like that $49 bottle price from a regular $179 tag. But I guess if the bonuses and benefits add up, it's worth a try.
Exactly, and the challenge always lies in balancing cost versus long-term benefits. The supplement aims to deliver sustained improvements in quality of life, which, well, even if the initial discount seems aggressive, it could pay off in improved hearing and cognitive function. It's an investment in overall health, really.
Totally. And considering many users report noticing improvements after the first week, and then more pronounced benefits after 3 months, it really emphasizes commitment over time.
Right. It's like cooking a good stew. It needs time to meld all the flavors. You can't expect an instant gourmet dish. And similarly, lasting ear and brain health takes consistent care.
Yeah.
That analogy always works for these kinds of holistic approaches.
I love that analogy. And overall, it paints a picture of a well-rounded product backed by both traditional wisdom and modern science. But we should always encourage people to consult their doctors before making changes, especially if they have existing conditions.
Absolutely, safety first. The website even clearly states that the information is for educational purposes and advises consulting a professional before trying something new, which is vital. It's all
Right.
about making informed choices.
So, to wrap up, Tinnitrol seems to offer a comprehensive solution, combining improved circulation, neurotransmitter balance, and stress reduction to support hearing and cognitive function, right?
Exactly. It's a promising supplement designed to not only reduce the symptoms of tinnitus, but also boost overall well-being. With its natural ingredients, detailed manufacturing standards, and that reassuring money-back guarantee, it offers a compelling option for those seeking long-term hearing and mental
Yes,
clarity
indeed.
support.